Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a task to multiple projects here in Asana. Let's begin. Now, if you haven't already, I need you to click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Asana, you can add a task to multiple projects to ensure that it's visible and accessible in different contexts or by different team, because a task might involve or impact several teams. So adding it to multiple projects allows relevant teams to track the progress, contribute in their inputs, and stay aligned. Now, once you are on a specific task that you wanted to work with or add it to a multiple projects, there's going to be an option here that says add to projects. Now, you see, when different teams share responsibility for a task, I find it very helpful to have the task appear in each team's project to ensure accountability and shared oversight. It's a straightforward process when you click on this button right here. Now you can select the project that you wanted this task to be involved with, right? For example, these are some archive project, all right? So we're not going to deal with that. We have a separate video on how to archive videos that you might want to check. But in my case, I'm going to be using this. Now, I'm going to choose this one to Andy. All right. Now, on the second task, though, I have another task at the bottom. All right. So, of course, again, you can put it to another project that you wanted. Maybe going over to a guide. All right, so I'm switching to the another project task that I have, and I'm going to make it public. All right, and I'm going to add this specific to the end guide as well. Okay, so that's basically how you add a task to multiple projects here on Asana. The thing that I find very interesting using this option is that a task that needs prioritization across multiple projects now can be tracked centrally, ensuring consistent focus and deadlines. Not only that, when tasks are independent, adding them to multiple projects makes it easier to manage and view dependencies, ensuring that teams are of course aware of the tasks that might affect their own timelines, all deliverables. In that sense, including a task in multiple projects, you can gather more comprehensive data, and is particularly useful for generating reports and understanding how tasks contribute to various projects or details. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.